In this tutorial, we'll be showing two new features to the Ashe Chamber website. First, we'll be showing you how to set and reset your password for your member account. And then we'll be showing how to set digital invoicing and make online payments for your member dues. If you scroll to the bottom of any page on the Chamber website, you'll see the member area in the bottom right section. If you have your username and password set up, this would be where you would log into your member account. If you don't already have a password set up, now you can set one, or you can reset your password if you've forgotten it by clicking on the link here. This brings you to the set password page. You will be asked to enter the email address that you have associated with your Chamber membership. If you don't know what that specific email address is, you will need to contact the Ashe Chamber. So I've set up an account for demonstration purposes, so I'm going to enter my email address. We'll click submit. It tells me that the password reset link has been sent to me. So now if I go to my email, the system has automatically sent me an email that contains this link, which you can click on. And this brings us to the set password page. So you'll be asked to enter a new password, and you'll need to retype the same password and click save. Once you've set up your password, now you can log in. The username is going to be your email address, and you'll enter whatever password you just set up. Click submit. And so now you're into the member area of the website where you can make changes to your directory listing. Of course, any changes to your listing must be approved first. You can also submit events. You can change your password from here if you want. But for this tutorial, we want to focus on the Pay Dues tab. So if we click the Pay Dues tab, there are two sections. There's Pay Member Dues and Set Invoice Method. And I'm going to start with Set Invoice Method. By default, you will receive an invoice through the mail. However, if you would like to request a digital invoice instead, you can do that by clicking the tick box here and choosing to save that preference. And of course, at any time you can come back and change back to a paper invoice if you want. The digital invoice will be emailed to this email address that you have associated with your member account. When you receive a digital invoice, you don't necessarily have to pay online. You can still pay through any of the means that are already available. But you can, if you want, pay online by coming here to the Pay Dues section. The ability to pay your dues will only be available starting 30 days before your membership is due. If you're not sure, you can always log in and it will tell you here if your membership is due. The online dues payment system uses PayPal, but you don't necessarily have to have a PayPal account to pay. So we can click on the Pay Dues with PayPal link. This was going to redirect us to PayPal. It's already set for the appropriate amount for your membership. You can either log into a PayPal account if you have one, or you can just enter in your credit card information. Once you submit your information here, you will be redirected back to the Chamber website. And once you are returned to the Chamber website, that is the point at which your credit card will be charged. So if you need to back out, this is the time to do it. You can either click this link at the bottom of the page, or you can hit the back button to return to the member area. But once you submit the payment through PayPal, again, you will be returned to the Chamber website to confirm that the payment has been received.